now dead. This was signed in 2001. Is there any chance at all, even though there's this provision to omit future children, that Daniel, under the laws of either California, Florida, or even perhaps Bahamas,
are you scratching yourself, Casper, with a stick?
To his next of kin?
No, he predeceased Anna Nicole, and therefore, by the fact that he predeceased her, he is treated under whatever law as non-existing.
Really?
The issue, however, is that treat this provision within this will.
You like to scratch it?
This is a provision that simply says that Anna Nicole Smith omitted or failed to provide for any other people other than Daniel Wayne Smith within the provision of this will. It does not say, I do not want my daughter to get.
Hi, Casper.
I didn't provide for anybody else under this will.
Intentionally, though. I mean, it's specific. It says intentionally.
It's intentionally because she doesn't want anybody coming out of the woodwork and saying, I'm her lost long son.
Casper.
Oh, back up. Jeffrey, how does that happen to a woman?
What do you do?
I know it happens to men, but I know when I've been, I know.
Do you like to scratch yourself with a stick? Yes?
This is long enough that anybody comes out of any type of woodwork to claim anything just to make a buck.
So presumably when she's dead,
Correct.
someone would come out of the woodwork and say, I'm her lost son.
The will is only discovered after you're dead.
Sure, of course. All right, now, real quickly, when you suggested that because Daniel predeceased
You like Casper.
doesn't exist,
You like to scratch it?
The pot of money would then be probated according to the laws of wherever this is going to be probated, it would be in California, and therefore, are there laws
Hello.
Wife American Idol on Thursday next week.
Children who aren't born?
You certainly can.
That's pretty smart, huh? Super inteligente.
What you can do is you can omit within the provisions of your will, not to leave it to certain children or to others. But the fact of the matter is that this provision does not say, I do not wish to leave to Daniel Lynn. This provision merely says
Ya se le corrió el palito, que ya no le alcanza.
Pero si lo va a ponerlo suelta.
It says, I intentionally omit to provide. This has nothing to do with Daniel Lynn not being able to receive the property.
So what we're saying is, well, I'm making much ado about nothing then, even though this language sounds vitriolic. It doesn't mean that Daniel Lynn doesn't get.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
My summation is absolutely correct. Not to mention
Hey, Casperina. You like to scratch it?
Huh?
The codicils that Beck and
Oh, that's cool.
Despacio, mi vida.
I have no